Hi everyone, let's discuss about the concept of bounds. So every year in your IGCSE exam, paper 2 or paper 4 or maybe both of them have a question on bounds. So for solving these questions, you require one very basic concept. Let's discuss about that one. So the question might not directly ask you to find the upper bound or the lower bound, but they can say round up the number to nearest thousand or maybe a nearest number, right? So for doing this, the first step is to find the degree of accuracy. So we need the accuracy first. And that you can simply get by dividing the given nearest number 1000 divided by 2, and you will get a number that is 500. So this 500 is the degree of accuracy. So for finding the lower bound, you simply have to subtract the given number. The 500 is subtracted from the given number, and for the upper bound, 500 is added to it. So 4391 minus of 500 gets you a 3891, right? And 4391 plus a 500 gets you a 4891. So that's how simple it is to solve these questions. So try for the next one. 48.7 to nearest whole number. Nearest whole number is a 1. So nearest number would be 1. Okay, so 1 divided by 2 gets us a zero point 0.5. So this number, now subtract 0.5 from it and get the lower bound, add 0.5 to it and get the upper bound, right? So I believe you all can do this. So 48.7 minus 0.5 would be a 48.2. 48.7 plus 0.5 would be a 49.2. Just check the answers. Okay, now how about if there is a change in the degree of accuracy? How to find this one? One decimal place. So we need to round it up or round it down to one decimal place. So simply for the degree of accuracy, one decimal place is 0.1. And we know to find this one, we divide it by 2. 0.1 divided by 2 is 0.05. And now this is the accuracy that you need to subtract and you need to add, right? So 29.968 minus 0.05 gets you 29.918. And if we add 0.05, it will get you a 30.018. All right, so I believe you can pause the video and try solving the next question and check if you get the answer. So this time, not one decimal place, but two decimal place. So take your time, try to solve this one according to the previous one and check your answers. All right, so for this question, two decimal places means this is the first decimal place, so I will leave this one, and this is the second decimal place. So this is two decimal place. You have to divide it by 2 and write the answer, which is going to be 0.005, right? 0.005. So then after this, everything else is easier. You simply have to subtract and simply have to add the number, which is not a big deal, right? So 5.083, we subtract 0.005 this time and we get 5.078. And when we add, we get 5.088. All right, try the next question. Now, they don't mention decimal place. We are done with this keyword, the nearest. We are done with decimal places. But how about significant figures? Round this number up to one significant figure. Now, one significant figure, which means the first position. Okay, so this is your first significant figure, and that is the 10th place. How do I know that? This is the 1st place, this is the 10th place. Okay, so this one would be a 10 divided by 2, that is a 5. Okay, and simply you have to subtract 20 minus 5, you will get the lower bound, that is a 15. 20 plus 5, that is 25, which is the upper bound. All right, so have a look at another one so that it can be a bit more clear what we did in the previous question. Okay, round this number up to two significant figure. Now two significant. So two significant, this is the first one, this is the second one. So this is the place we are talking about, two significant figure. Now, what place it is at? It is at, let's count, this is the unit place, this is the tens, this is the hundred place, right? So, for this one, it would say 100 divide by 2. And 100 divide by 2 is going to be 50, right? So 100 divided by 250, and we simply add it with a 50 and subtract it with a 50 to find a lower bound. So 3879 minus 50 would be 3829. And when we add 50, it should be 3929. 3929. All right. So now I want you all to pause the video again and try solving the next one. That is the reason why I have given two similar questions. So try solving this one to two significant figures. Okay, the degree of accuracy would not be the same because you have to figure out which place we are talking about. Okay, so pause the video, give it a try, and then check your answer. All right. So I believe you have tried it and got the correct answer. Let's check. So two significant figures. The first significant figure is right here. This is the second significant figure. First and then second. So the place we are talking about is actually the unit place. Unit place, right? So unit place means 1. The first place divided by 2. So it is going to be 0.5. So simply subtract the number by 0.5, it will get you 73.5. Add it with 0.5, it will be 74.5. So that's how the bounds work. Okay, these are all the kinds of possibilities you can get to see in your question, right? So try the next one, three significant figures. Now I'm pretty sure you all can do that. So try it first again and then check your answer. So three significant figures. This is the first person, second, third. This is the third significant figure right there, okay? This is the third significant figure. Now it is at unit and the 10th position. It is the 10th position. So again, 10 divided by 2. And that is going to get you 5. And simply again, we subtract 5. That will be 5135. We add 5, it will be 5145. And that's all you have to do in the concept of bounds, right? So any doubt you can ask in the comment section. Now here, one practice question. So let me know your answer in the comment box for this one. Round this number up to three significant figures. So 7420 to three significant figures. Okay, try this one, get me the lower bound and get me the upper bound for this question. Okay, so I'll wait for your answers. All right.